Media Civics Lab Influencers Bootcamp. This is the first face-to-face activity of Media Civics Lab after more than 3 years of pandemic that we are conducting everything online. We take the another challenge, and we thank also the La Salle University Libraries for allowing us to make this happen.
Today's Influencers Bootcamp, we share the same advocacy. We want to break the fake, combat disinformation, and educate the people. Our mission is to make every human being information literate. We, who come from the academic side, is working together with groups and industries so we can push this advocacy forward and make things happen. We are excited to see you influence more and affect change.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I'd like to acknowledge everyone. The bootcamp is actually a work of a lot of people. And we would like to rally for more media literacy champions. And that's why we're very thankful that you guys are here. And we enjoin you, we challenge you to use your influence for social good, to use your media platform for something beyond yourself, and to actively promote and protect our democracy. We would like to encourage you guys. We hope that you're going to participate today, enjoy the day, meet some friends, enjoy the networking opportunities, meet some new partners, for example, that you can collaborate with for different projects, and of course, enjoy the learning sessions that we prepared for you. Good morning, everybody.